Have you ever cracked open an egg and wondered if you were holding the key to unlocking your body's hidden potential? For years, eggs have been at the center of a heated health debate, alternately praised as a superfood and villainized as a heart attack on a plate. But what if I told you that eating just 2 eggs a day could radically transform your health in ways you never imagined? In this video, we're about to unveil the shocking truth about eggs that the food industry doesn't want you to know. We'll dive deep into cutting-edge scientific research that reveals how this simple daily habit can supercharge your brain, fortify your heart, and flood your body with energy. But beware, not all the effects are positive, and some of what we've discovered may change the way you look at your breakfast forever. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey through your body's complex systems as we crack open the secrets hidden within these humble ovals. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to harness the full power of eggs to revolutionize your health. But first, let me ask you this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you brave enough to learn the truth about what really happens when you eat 2 eggs every day? Stay tuned, because the answer might just scramble everything you thought you knew about nutrition. Those 2 eggs you eat every morning, are they just breakfast, or could they be unlocking powerful changes in your body? Today we're counting down from 13 to 1 to reveal the incredible effects eggs can have on your health. From glowing skin to sharper focus, stronger muscles to a longer life, what you're about to learn might change the way you see your plate forever. Ready to crack open the truth? Let's dive in. The information in this video is for educational purposes only, compiled from open sources, and does not substitute medical advice. Please consult your doctor for any health-related concerns. After subscribing, let us know where you're watching from, and don't forget to turn on notifications. We'd be happy to get to know you. Number 13, the treasure inside the shell. Why eggs are so packed in nutrition? Often hailed as superfoods, eggs have good cause. Every one of them is a powerhouse with vital nutrients needed for body operations. Daily 2 egg consumption provides a complete health package. Large eggs on average have about 6 grams of premium protein loaded with all the required amino acids, building and repairing tissues including muscles, skin, hair, immune cells, all depend on these proteins. Amazingly, 1 egg has just 78 calories and yet contains all this goodness. Apart from protein, eggs abound in important vitamins. Their vitamin A supports immune system, function and vision. Their good dosage of vitamin B12 is vital for brain development and red blood cell production. They also offer natural antioxidant vitamin E and vitamin D, which is necessary for strong bones and calcium absorption. Often disregarded, vitamin K helps with blood clotting and bone maintenance, additionally providing minerals like phosphorus for strong teeth and bones and selenium. A powerful antioxidant protecting cells from damage are eggs. Not to overlook choline, a nutrient vital for cellular integrity and brain function, from which eggs shine as the main natural source. Eggs are clearly treasures from nature. Still, there's more to learn. Number 12, the connection between heart health and eggs. Eggs' high cholesterol content was long thought to be harmful to heart health. But thanks to advances in science, we now have a more complex understanding of the relationship between eggs and heart health. According to recent research, dietary cholesterol generally has little effect on raising LDL, or bad cholesterol levels in the bloodstream, for the majority of healthy people, even though the yolk contains cholesterol. Increase in dietary intake usually results in a decrease in the body's natural production of cholesterol. Furthermore, eggs can increase HDL, or good cholesterol, which aids in the liver's removal of excess cholesterol from the arteries. Additionally, lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants found in eggs, lower oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 important factors in the development of heart disease. Additionally, lipid balance and vascular health are supported by the presence of good fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. According to research, eating up to 1 egg daily may reduce the risk of heart problems in healthy people. In certain situations, eating 2 eggs daily may be safe, as long as it's part of a balanced diet. To ascertain the appropriate level of consumption, people with a history of heart disease or high cholesterol should speak with a healthcare provider. Eggs are no longer considered the dietary villains they once were. Number 11, eggs and their unexpected beauty. Advantages. Eggs may hold the solution if you're looking for strong nails, firm skin, and vibrant hair. These foods provide a variety of nutrients that are essential for internal beauty. The production of keratin, which is necessary for the structure of hair and nails, depends on the protein in eggs. Insufficient protein intake may result in weaker, finer hair or even hair loss. Eating 2 eggs daily guarantees a sufficient amount of this important nutrient. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is abundant in eggs and is known to strengthen hair and nails and improves skin health. The yolk contains the majority of biotin, despite what many people think. Eggs contain vitamin A, which promotes sebum production and cell renewal, hydrating skin and shielding hair from dryness. As antioxidants, minerals like zinc and selenium fight free radicals, which hasten the aging process of the skin. Additionally, choline helps to maintain the cellular structure of the skin and nourishes the brain, giving the complexion a more youthful appearance. Consuming 2 eggs daily has a direct impact on physical performance by improving both external appearance and internal health. Number 10, eggs for natural muscle growth. For good reason, eggs are a common part of the diets of bodybuilders and athletes. Complete protein, which is vital for the development of healthy muscle mass, is abundant in eggs. About 6 g of high-quality protein, which includes all 9 essential amino acids that the body is unable to produce on its own, are found in each egg. An essential amino acid called leucine directly promotes the synthesis of muscle proteins, which aids in post-exercise growth and recovery. The body effectively absorbs and uses the nutrients in eggs due to their high bioavailability and ease of digestion, particularly after exercise when nutrient uptake is at its peak. In addition to protein, eggs provide minerals like iron and phosphorus, which are essential for muscle function, and B vitamins, which aid in the synthesis of energy. Eggs contain vitamin D, which is particularly important for preserving muscle mass, especially in older people. Eggs are a good dietary option whether your goal is to gain muscle, improve your performance during exercise, or maintain muscle strength over time. Number 9, eggs, the key to living a long life. Unexpectedly, eggs may contribute to the realization of the universal goal of living a long and fulfilling life. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses that can affect longevity, but they are frequently disregarded. Research shows that diets high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins are associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. These healthy components are found in eggs, where choline lowers the risk of metabolic disorders by promoting brain health and preventing the accumulation of liver fat. In addition to improving eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin also lessen silent inflammation, which accelerates cellular aging. Another benefit of eating eggs is that they preserve muscle mass, since sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, can result in falls and decreased independence. Additionally, eggs' antioxidants prevent oxidative stress, a major contributor to early aging, minimizing cellular damage and improving long-term health. A balanced diet that includes 2 eggs per day may have a significant impact on your long-term health. Number 8, want to drop weight without going without food? Find how eggs might support. For everyone who has tried dieting, controlling hunger is quite difficult. Rich in quality protein, eggs can be revolutionary. They make you full for hours. 2 eggs for breakfast offers effective, long-lasting energy, since proteins produce hormones like peptide Y and tryptophan that increase fullness. Moreover, breaking down protein calls for more energy and encourages calorie burning. That is the thermic effect of food. Egg breakfasts reduce snacking and cravings for foods high in calories. Hence, research indicates they result in less daily calories. Though they are nutritious, eggs have low calories. 2 big eggs have roughly 156 calories, mostly from proteins and good fats. Healthy weight loss would benefit much from this high nutrition to calorie ratio. Combined with vegetables, avocados, or oatmeal, eggs make balanced meals that help to stabilize blood sugar, prevent insulin surges, and cut emotional eating. Thus, eggs could be your best friend if you want to lose weight without restriction, since they add still another good reason to keep them regular in your daily diet. Number 7, the natural shield your eyes have ignored. Imagine if your diet now could protect your eyesight for next generations. 2 antioxidants absolutely vital for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in great abundance in eggs. Found in the yolk, they directly guard the retina from light-induced damage by filtering dangerous blue light from screens and sunlight, so lowering macular damage risk. They also neutralize radicals causing aging of eye cells. Studies link consistent antioxidant intake to reduced cases of age-related macular degeneration, the main cause of vision loss in elderly persons because their antioxidants shield the lens from stress. Eggs also help to prevent cataracts. Rhodopsin, required for low-light vision, is produced in eggs from vitamin A. Deficits can cause night blindness and other eye problems, while benefiting other body parts, including 2 eggs daily, is a basic, delicious method of long-term eye care. Number 6. Brain food. How eggs support memory and focus. Having trouble remembering key facts or focusing, your brain may be nutrient hungry, and eggs have them. Often underappreciated but essential for brain cells. Choline fuels acetylcholine synthesis, a neurotransmitter fundamental for memory, learning, and mood control. Neurotransmission suffers without sufficient choline. 2 eggs provide roughly 125 ml of choline, which covers a good portion of the daily advised intake. 400 TED poles for women, 550 Maydines for men. Apart from choline, eggs contain B vitamins, including B6, B9, folic acid, and B12, which are vital for neurological function by lowering high homocyanin levels linked with neurodegenerative disease risks. Through these nutrients, pregnant and nursing women with medical direction and adults can improve brain health and possibly over time, memory and cognitive performance. Beyond only memory and concentration, including eggs in your diet helps body and mind. Number 5, an army against illness. How eggs boost your immunological system. Boosting the immune system is absolutely vital in a world full of viruses and bacteria, and eggs can greatly help. 2 eggs a day give nutrients that function as defense agents. One important component, vitamin A, preserves the integrity of mucous membranes in the nose, mouth, and respiratory tract, first defenses against germs. Vitamin B12 is also plentiful in eggs, which is essential for the formation and preservation of immune cells, including lymphocytes that spot and destroy body threats. Another essential element is selenium, which generates toxin-neutralizing enzymes, controls inflammation, and provides antioxidant ability to guard immune cells. Although mostly associated with bone health, vitamin D directly influences the immune system, balances inflammatory reactions, and stimulates antimicrobial peptides capable of eradicating dangerous bacteria. Although no one food is a magic bullet, eggs enhance a balanced diet and help other body systems function as well as prevent disease. Number 4, remarkable effect of eggs on blood sugar control. Not only is controlling blood sugar important for diabetics, but everyone else should avoid energy highs and lows and lower their future metabolic disease risk. Surprising allies here, eggs have almost zero glycemic index, which means they don't raise glucose levels. Mostly composed of protein and good fats with low carbohydrates. This produces consistent energy release and slow digestion, especially at breakfast. Eating 2 eggs helps to preserve blood sugar balance throughout the day. So, lowering insulin levels that cause fat accumulation and insulin resistance. Regular egg intake reportedly increases insulin sensitivity, which is vital for type 2 and pre-diabetics. Eggs also reduce appetite, so limiting ultra-processed and sugary food intake that aggravates glycemic problems. Along with foods high in fiber, such as vegetables or whole grains, eggs help to stabilize energy levels and prevent sharp highs and lows. Besides, eggs support heart health while you're thinking about blood sugar. Number 3, optimizing the nutrient advantages of eggs. The way eggs are prepared has a big impact on how well nutrients are absorbed. Boiling eggs is an excellent method that preserves the yolk, which is high in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as important antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, while retaining the majority of nutrients and avoiding extra fats. Heat-sensitive nutrients are preserved in poached eggs, which are cooked in hot water without fat. They provide a tasty twist on everyday meals. If made with little butter or oil, scrambled eggs can be a healthy food. They are higher in fiber and vitamins when olive oil is used and vegetables like spinach or tomatoes are added. Conversely, eating raw eggs increases the risk of contracting salmonella and should be avoided because the avidin in raw egg whites hinders the absorption of biotin. Complete nutritional benefits are guaranteed when eggs are prepared safely. Number 2, selection and safety of eggs. Egg quality and safety are guaranteed when handled carefully. Choosing eggs with clean, undamaged shells is essential because cracks let dangerous bacteria like salmonella in. When an egg cracks, throw away any that have an odd color or an unpleasant smell. To avoid moisture and contamination, eggs should be kept in the refrigerator in their original packaging. Cleaning eggs only before use is advised because despite their apparent hygienic nature, doing so can remove the protective layer and facilitate bacterial entry. Eggs are safe when cooked thoroughly, but if you want soft yolks, buy fresh eggs from reputable suppliers. Use pasteurized eggs in recipes that call for raw eggs like mayonnaise, especially for susceptible populations like expectant mothers or people with weakened immune systems. Making dietary decisions based on individual preferences and nutritional requirements can be aided by knowledge of different egg types such as duck, quail or chicken eggs. Number 1. Non-consumer egg substitutes. There are good substitutes for eggs if you are unable to eat them because of allergies, medical conditions or personal preference. When combined with water, chia seeds form a gel-like egg substitute that works well for baking. For each egg required, combine 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. As an alternative, mashed bananas can be used in place of eggs in sweets to give them a moist texture and nutritional value. Another option is unsweetened applesauce, which binds ingredients and holds moisture well, making it ideal for baking. Other protein sources, such as tofu or legumes, can be used in place of eggs in meals. Even though these substitutes work well in recipes, it's crucial to keep up a varied, well-balanced diet that meets your nutritional needs. Making minor dietary adjustments, like eating 2 eggs every day, can have a big impact on your emotional, mental, and physical health. Eggs help maintain a healthy immune system, preserve vision, enhance the brain, help control weight, and lengthen life. Making educated, well-balanced food choices can contribute to the creation of a healthier future, as there are many safe preparation techniques and substitutes for people who avoid eggs. Whether you want to live a longer life, be more focused, or look better, keep in mind that change starts on your plate. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy videos.